Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue with the next question. That is a GATE CSE 2012 question guys, 16th question, okay? Yes. So this is a short question which most of the students will remember guys, like the exact values they will remember and they will directly answer these type of questions. The recursive relation capturing the optimal execution time of Tower of Hanoi problem with n disks. Okay, so if you recall, we already discussed about a Tower of Hanoi, right? So Tower of Hanoi is a puzzle type problem where we will be having three different rods guys, you can say. So the first will be your start rod or begin rod, it is called B, okay, and the middle rod is auxiliary rod, and the end rod will be your end rod, okay, E rod, okay, yes. So we will be giving these three rods, and each and every rod will, so the firstly the begin rod will have n discs guys, so the n might be 3 or 4 or any number, okay, yes, okay, yes. So the goal is to move these three discs to the E, you need to move these three discs. So the rule is that on smaller disc you cannot place the larger disc, and you can move only a single disc at any moment of time. So that are the two conditions, okay, yes. So how you will be doing is you will be shifting the n-1 disc guys. I have discussed this clearly in our lecture of Tower of Hanoi. So if you haven't watched it, please watch it, okay, yes. So we will be moving the n-1 discs to B first of all, okay. So n-1 discs to B. So B to A you will do, okay. So once that is done, one step will be B to E, the last disk. The nth disk will be moved from B to E, the largest disk. So after that, you will slowly move these disks which are in A with some n-1 moves, and you will somehow move them to E. Okay. So if you total it, that is nothing but n-1 into 2 times plus 1, right? Yes. So this is the time complexity guys. In simple words you can say. So T of n is equals to 2T of n-1 plus 1. So basically these will be expanded further in the same way. That is a recursive call you can say. Okay. Yes. So that is the recursive relation guys. The option D will be your answer. Got it? So the first move from B to A, the n-1 discs will be n-1. Okay. So after that one disc, the largest disc will be moved to B, right? So that will be one move. Okay, and lastly you will be moving all these discs which are there to this disc, right? So that will, how many discs are those? Those are also n-1 discs. So that will also take n-1. So in total it is nothing but 2t n-1 plus 1. So basically here we are adding a t because it will be a recursive call, right? Yes. So that will be your recursive relation. Got it? Yes. So I hope you got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next problem. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.